This video training will walk you through the process of creating a new WebAssign course that is linked with your LMS course. To get started, we'll want to enable the Cengage integration tool in your course. We'll do this by navigating to the Settings on the left navigation. Next, select the Navigation tab. Scroll down to the bottom and locate Cengage. Drag and drop Cengage to place it into your navigation menu, and then click Save. Please be aware that the Cengage tool is an instructor-only tool and will not be visible to your students. Let's go down to Cengage to begin the integration process. The first time that you connect, you'll be asked to allow Cengage to access your course. This will allow Cengage to add content links to your course and send selected scores for graded items to your Canvas gradebook. Enter your email address and password, and then click Login. Here you'll select the type of product you want to add to your course: homework platforms in ebook, Cengage infused in ebooks, or just ebooks. Once you make a selection, your search will only bring up the products that fall into that category, providing a more streamlined search experience. To find your WebAssign product, choose Add Homework Platform. You can search by title, author, and keyword. Once you've located your title, click on the Link to Course button to begin the course creation process. If your search comes up with Title Not Found, you may be searching in the wrong category. Simply click the Back to Cengage link to return to the Content Category selection screen. If you still do not see the title you're looking for, connect with your Cengage account executive or learning consultant. You'll next be prompted to create your WebAssign course. This video will focus on the first option to create a new course. For assistance with copying a course or linking to an existing course, please see our other training materials. For the course name, we recommend including the name, term, and any section information for your course. For the class start date, enter the date you expect students to start using WebAssign. If your course requires students to purchase an access code, the date you enter in here represents the first day of the temporary access period. The course end date is the last date that students can access the course. Finally, select your time zone and then click Continue. You'll be redirected to the homepage of your Canvas course. If you navigate to Modules, your course link has been placed in an unpublished module. Both you and your students will now use this link to access WebAssign. You may consider editing the name of the link to let students know this is where they will access and register for their Cengage resources. To do that, click the gear icon, select Edit, modify the item's title, and then click Update. You'll also want to make sure that both this module and your course are published. Let's click on the link to finalize the setup process. Canvas will launch the content in a new window. At this time, you should open up your WebAssign course and begin scheduling assignments. Scheduling assignments and customizing your WebAssign course are covered in separate training materials. For additional help or resources, please visit our training and support sites.